currently in the elevator. I'm going to the store to get groceries and a toothbrush because I forgot one. So yeah. I'm also going to Publix, and I used to work there, and they always take your groceries out. And I'm gonna abuse it because I used to have to go take people's groceries out all the time, and I literally hated it. So yeah, I quit. But yeah, I'm going to Publix. Anyway, so I just went in, got the groceries. It is literally such an ugly day, but we're still gonna go sit on the beach apparently, so we'll see. This is the bucket hat of the day. I got it from school. This is the book that I'm reading. It's called One True Love. It says it's about to be made into a movie. So, and then of course, lemonade. Being on my parents. Also, I'm not gonna bring my book because it's literally raining. But I'm just gonna be bored. So I'm gonna go. Oh, so this bucket hat won't stay in my head because it's so small.
Well, it's our weekend at the beach.
It's literally raining. We are down at another side of the beach because they wanted to come. And it's still raining. It's cool though.
Way to go. We're going that way. So.
I won.
Well, she actually did. She